Once again, Mr. Bishop, thanks so much for coming tonight. Our condolences to you, to the people of your town, the survivors, and we'll be in contact. See if there's anything we can do to move forward with this story.
Kind of cool.